Hi, I'm Gabrielle Stonecipher, Production Coordinator for Express Inc. I would like to show you how you can easily find your order status, production proof, tracking number, invoicing, and more. In the body of our sales order emails, we provide a portal link. This link will take you to a page that will contain all the information you need for this order. You will see two sections, Project Activities and Project Status. Project Activities is a history log of all emails concerning this particular order. And the Project Status, this is all the forms associated with this order. First is the sales order. This is the form which begins the order process after we receive your approval. Down below shows who and when this order was approved. Next is the order status. This page shows you 3 stages of which your order will go through: proofing, in production, and shipped. This order has shipped, so there is a tracking number below. When you click it, it directs you to a Google web page, which then you have to click Track via UPS, which then brings you to the UPS page. And as you can see, this tracking number, this order has been delivered. Next is the proof approval. The production proof is stored here for your review and shows when it was approved and any notes that were made. This helps to ensure that your order is decorated correctly. After that is the invoice. The invoice is stored here for you if you or anyone in accounting needs it. And finally is the feedback. Our feedback section gives you the ability to rate your experience working with us and give suggestions on how we can improve. If you have any questions concerning the portal link, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell to receive updates. Hope to hear from you soon.